Alright, we had an unboxing video on the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner, and we've experimented with it a little bit, and today we're going to try to freshen up our carpet in this hallway here a little bit with it, just to see how it does. And there's also a little dent here. That's where a big old heavy object was sitting, and we're going to see if it takes the dents out. We usually use a wallpaper steamer for dents and stains, but this may actually do the trick. So that's what we're going to show, so stay tuned. Okay, the little light on the front is green. That means we're ready to go.
Green means steam.
Yep.
Now we got a little carpet in here, and we do take them out all the time with a wallpaper steamer. We'll see how this does, because it's, well, we'll see. If you do it long enough, it will take it out. You see all the steam? Steam will just make that carpet rise back up. In fact, I think it's out.
Yeah, it did take it out.
This proceeds steaming with the carpet cleaner. So,
if you want to do that whole section, I'll just open the door and then we can see the steam better.
well, there's a lot of steam if you don't see it. I don't know if it's showing on video, but believe you me, it's hot. It's 275 degrees.
Now this carpet is pretty clean because we keep up with it.
Yeah, we don't expect no mess.
What we're going to see is, does it raise the carpet fiber? Will the carpet fibers pop back up too? Because it does. It is a traffic area, of course, so it gets matted down fairly easily. And we have ways of getting it looking fresh again, but we're going to try and see what the steam does.
Oh, and by the way, it's hot. You can tell it's got, it's got hot steam in it, and it's not real wet. Not very wet. In fact, it'll dry in about 3 minutes.
You know, I'm going to open this back door a little bit. Maybe get some more light on the carpet, maybe. Maybe not too much, hopefully.
Might be too much light.
I'm going to step out. Now we're going to do another video later on and do floors with this. But we're just trying the carpet right now. And then of course we're going to do some videos doing furniture. And there's that's the kind of cleaning that we actually do a lot of. So
we're going to do a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Over time.
Now this carpet isn't too dirty, so I don't know how this would handle stains. I think it would do a good job. A lot of stains respond to heat, and some stains, you got to be careful. Some stains you're going to set them permanently if you apply heat, so you got to be careful what you use it on carpets. But we take a lot of red stains out using ammonia. You spray ammonia on the stain and then hit it with a wallpaper steamer or an iron.
It's hot. It's hot where it'll burn you if you touch it for more than a second. I'll work my way back down the hall just to get it a little more steaming.
A lot of times people have rugs they want to get cleaned and everything, and the equipment we usually use is a little bit overkill for a little rug. So
this might be perfect for a rug that has like a dog pee stain in it, a little thin area rug.
Yeah, we're experimenting. You can clean carpets with a steamer. It's definitely something you can do.
If you know how, you just got to develop a technique. Here's the way this stuff all works. People say, well, can you clean carpets like that and get paid? Well, if you can sell it to your customers, yes, indeed you can. If your customers will buy it, you can do it because they're willing to pay for the service. All this is what will your customers purchase from you? If you can sell ice, if you can sell, sell ice to an Eskimo, then you got a business. That's how it works.
Well, this is another way. Sometimes people are, if they have a concern, maybe that something's real sanitary after a mess has been
now y'all can see it steaming, see? A lot of steam's coming out. It's smoking hot. Now let's see how wet the carpets are. They're not really wet. It's dry vapor, so they have a little bit of dampness in them, but boy, are they pretty much dry.
So it's still a low moisture method to clean carpets. And this may be good on, there's certain types of carpets this would be great on, and other types of carpets where you'd be better off with something else.
Probably great on area rugs, especially thin area rugs, but this is a pretty thick carpet and it does it fine. So
there it is when the amber light comes on the front.
You stop until it turns green.
It's heating. So
it'll turn green in 30 seconds or a minute.
So I hope you enjoyed that. We'll put up other videos when we find other things to clean. So stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching.